Ever uploaded a document to Docusign only to realize you need to make a quick change before sending it off for signatures? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to edit a document within Docusign, ensuring every detail is perfect before it reaches your signers. Once your document is uploaded and you're in the Prepare for Signature stage, look for the Edit option. Usually found in the top menu bar, click this to unlock the editing tools. You'll see a new toolbar appear. This toolbar contains all the functionalities you need to make precise adjustments. The most common edit is to modify text. Select the Text tool, then click directly on the existing text within your document that you wish to change. A cursor will appear, and the text will often be highlighted. You can now type, delete, or modify the text just as you would in any word processor. Need to add new text? Simply click the Text tool again, and then click anywhere on your document where you want to insert new information. A new text box will appear, ready for you to type. You can also enhance your document visually. The Shape tool allows you to add basic shapes like rectangles or circles. Click the Shape tool, choose your desired shape, and then click and drag on your document to draw it. This can be useful for highlighting specific clauses or boxing in important information before sending. If you need to insert an image, like a logo or a relevant graphic, select the Image tool. You'll then be prompted to upload an image from your computer. Once uploaded, click on your document where you want the image to appear. You can then resize and reposition it as needed. After making all your desired edits, remember to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done Editing button, typically located as part of the editing toolbar or in the main action bar. Clicking this will confirm your modifications and bring you back to the signing preparation stage, now with your refined document. And that's how you precisely edit your documents directly within Docusign, giving you complete control before sending for signatures.